Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. After a 9.5-hour flight from the UK, we finally arrived in Florida, Orlando. I'm on International Drive and I booked 2 weeks at this resort. It's Endless Summer Resort and we're staying in this hotel behind me, part of a sister hotel. The one over the road is called Dockside, this side is Surfside. As I said, it's part of Universal, so I'm going to get booked in and then I'll give you a little tour of the hotel and show you the facilities that are here at Surfside. That took literally 5 minutes to book in. So we're now in Tower 2, room 2650. Right, Tower 2 this way, 6th floor.
Going up.
Floor 6. Right, 2650 is this way. 2640. Right, hopefully, there we go, 2650. So we've just arrived at the Endless Summer Resort here in Orlando, Florida. Let me show you the room that we got. We're in the Surfside, and this is the family suite that we've hired for 2 weeks. It's all open plan. I have stayed at this hotel before, but there you go. 2 queen size beds. Again, the power points down there and USBs. This, I know for certain, is novelty. It's just there, it doesn't open, it doesn't do anything. This chest, I know that because we've stayed here before. A nice large screen, plenty of storage down there, of course. And then we have the kitchen area. Kitchen diner with, of course, a little bench there, a couple of chairs on that side. Let me take you back a bit. There you go. Little sink, microwave. There you go. Fridge, quite a large fridge. And then we have the second bedroom, which is a double. There we go. And this too has a TV screen in. And they don't have wardrobes as so here. They have these little cubbies with the hangers in and iron. Blankets at the top. Ironing board. Clothes dryer. So that is the double room. Get a bigger view of it. Your sink area, double sink. Towels. And then the family bathroom. So here's a bath shower. Your toilet. Long shot there. So I'll show you around it. I love this little divider in the room. I love this. So I'll show you once more around the room, mainly on a wider lens, so you can get a better view of the room. It's all open plan. Lovely and clean. Again, the double bedroom. And again, the wash basins and the bathroom. Last thing to show you is the view that we have from both rooms, because we're on the same side, and we have the full view of the surfboard pool. So that's the view from the room. So just down here, that building there is the bar, and that's Tower 2 on the other side. That's Tower 1 on the other side. We're in Tower 2. So there you go. There's the pool. Right, I'm going to get changed and I'll show you around the rest of the hotel. I love the theme in here in the foyer, especially over the reception, the way you have the carvings, the wood carvings that give you the effect of waves. And that's throughout the whole of the foyer. And up there, give you that image of jellyfish. This area is absolutely huge. They have car hire on one desk, and on the other desk is a ticket desk where you can book the day trips out, certain day trips out, certain nights. I know we've booked Busch Gardens already for next Tuesday. They have a Starbucks in the reception as well, and their very own Universal shop. Games room as well for the kids. Keep the kids occupied. And a fully equipped fitness centre, which I will be using. And of course the main thing is the family pool. Sands bar. So there's a bar at the pool as well. Little bit of a tip if you are staying at Endless Summer, these refill cups are ideal. Refill your drinks all day long. If you're only staying for a day, and they're $10.50. But as you can see from your length of stay, and we are here for 2 weeks, it only cost you $19 plus the tax. And that's for unlimited refills for 14 days at the resort. Unfortunately, they can't be used in the parks, but while you're staying in the hotel, $19 and your drinks are free basically for the rest of the holiday. You can continuously refill them 24 hours a day. You have to give a 10-minute interval in between refills. Right, there you go, dead simple to use. All you do is put your cup on the machine, like so, and make your selection. Caffeine-free Coke, and I'll have sherry, and that's it. And that's how simple it is to use the machine. 10-minute intervals before you can refill again, but that costs $19 and you can refill 24 hours a day for the 14 days that we are staying here. The cups are refillable for all the soft drinks and tea, coffee and decaffeinated as well. So the cup will work on all the machines. $19, there you go. Also included in the price is the regular bus service that takes you to all the Universal parks. So there you have the hotel. I've stayed here twice. I would stay again. Would you like to stay here? Put down the comments down below. What do you like about this hotel? This is Universal's Endless Summer. It's a sister hotel. Dockside is over the other side, so you can stay there if you want, but this is Surfside. Price for this. Price is coming up on the screen now. This was for 4 adults and a cot for Henry. So you might as well say 5. And it was for 2 weeks. Do you think the price is worth it? It's a Universal hotel. As I said, that brings me to a close for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Of course, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to keep you up to date with any future videos. I'm going in for a quick dip. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.